There's a lot of misconception on the mutual support between Zelle and Cash App, and why I see a lot of folks out there looking for ways to transfer money between Zelle and Cash App. The real question you should be asking yourself is, does Zelle actually support Cash App? So we'll be seeing that right after the intro. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Understanding what these fintech apps actually do or what they've been built and designed for is the key for you to understand which payment applications they actually work with. So in Zelle's case, when you come to Zelle's official support page, you'll find out that Zelle is a fast, safe, easy way to send and receive money directly between almost any bank account in the US. So what interests us the most here is this between almost any bank in the US. So this is just to say that Zelle facilitates transfers from one US bank account to the other, and it does not facilitate transfers from one payment application to the other. This is what you should retain when looking to transfer money from Zelle, be it to Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or any other digital payment wallet. Zelle works for transfers within US bank accounts. In Cash App's case, Cash App is a digital payment application that was designed to transfer funds from one user to the other. So look into the lines, it has basically the same payment scheme just as Zelle. So when you looking to transfer money from one of these payment applications to the other, is not going to make much of a sense because they primarily focus on encouraging users to use the application for their different financial transactions. And this goes well with Cash App, that frequently releases features that entice users to use their payment application. So Cash App on its own cannot work with Zelle because it does not integrate directly with Zelle, since Zelle isn't a bank account. Okay, so if you've been to the web and found these guides that show or that encourage workarounds to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App by using a linked bank account as a medium, you shouldn't go in for this because you will end up at a dead end. Okay, you won't find a tangible solution for yourself. So the best way that you can use to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App is to ask the receiver to have a Zelle account. Okay, so it is very easy to sign up with Zelle. You just need your phone number or email address. You can just send them funds within minutes. And if the receiver insists on receiving the funds through Cash App, you can just sign up for Cash App. It is very easy. You just add in your financial account. It can be a debit card or a bank account, and then you just transfer them the money that you need to transfer. You can then use the bank account that you used with Zelle to link this one to your Cash App account and transfer the money right away. So that is just the straightforward way for you to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App without having to go through these untrusted guides. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.